Hello Goenkans, I'm your maths teacher. Students, today we are going to learn about the types of fractions. So let's begin. At the end of this video, students will be able to understand the types of fractions. Students, there are so many types of fractions. First one is like fraction, second is unlike fractions, third is unit fraction, fourth is proper fractions, fifth is improper fractions, and sixth is the mixed fraction. So let's understand each type one by one. First is like fractions. Fractions with the same denominators are like fractions. For example, we have 1 by 4, 3 by 4, 5 by 4. Students, if you can observe these fractions, all these fractions have same denominator, that is 4. So all these fractions are like fractions. Let's see another example. We have 3 by 6, 8 by 6, 11 by 6. So all these fractions have same denominator, that is 6. So these fractions are called as like fractions. Now second type is unlike fraction. This fraction is opposite to the one, that is the like fraction. Fractions with different denominators are unlike fractions. For example, 1 by 3, 3 by 2, 7 by 5. So if you can see, students, here in first fraction we have denominator 3. In second fraction we have denominator 2. And in the third one we have denominator 5. So all these fractions have different denominators. So these fractions are called as unlike fractions. I hope, students, this is clear. Now the third one is the proper fraction. A fraction in which the numerator is smaller than the denominator is proper fraction. The value of proper fraction is always less than 1. Let's take example. We have here 3 by 7, 4 by 6, 2 by 5. Students, if you can observe, in first fraction, the numerator is 3 and the denominator is 7. So yes, here it's clear, the numerator is less than the denominator. 3 is less than 7. So the fractions in which the numerator is smaller than the denominator is called the proper fraction. Let's take another example. We have 4 by 6. Here also, the numerator is 4 and the denominator is 6. So yes, 4 is less than 6. So we can say numerator is smaller than the denominator. So this fraction is also the proper fraction. In the same way, 2 by 5 is the proper fraction. Now the fourth one, it's improper fraction. A fraction in which the numerator is greater than the denominator is called improper fraction. And it may be noted, students, the value of improper fraction is greater or equal to 1. Let's take example. We have 7 by 3. And here 7 is the numerator and 3 is the denominator. And we know that 3 is less than 7 or 7 is greater than 3. So we can say here numerator is greater than denominator. And the fraction in which the numerator is greater than the denominator is called the improper fraction. Let's take another example. We have 6 by 4. Here again, the numerator is 6 and the denominator is 4. And yes, numerator is here greater than the denominator. I hope, student, this is clear. Now, the fifth one, that is the mixed fraction. Let's take example. We have 2, 1/4. Any number which is the combination of the whole number and the fraction is the mixed fraction. So here 2 is a whole number and 1/4 is a proper fraction. So any number which is the combination of a whole number and a proper fraction is called the mixed fraction. Let's take another example. We have 7 1/7. So yes, this is also the combination of a whole number and a proper fraction. So remember, students, a number which is the combination of a whole number and a proper fraction is called the mixed fraction. The value of mixed fraction is always greater than 1. Now, the last fraction, that is the unit fraction. A unit fraction is a proper fraction with 1 as the numerator. Students, let's see the example. Here we have 1/4, 1/6, 1/9. If you can observe these fractions, all these fractions have 1 as a numerator. So yes, any fraction with 1 as the numerator is called the unit fraction. So all these fractions have 1 as the numerator. So these fractions are called as the unit fraction. I hope, student, all these types of fractions are clear to you. Thank you very much.